I want you to guess what number this is, but all you can do is feel it, okay? You can't pull it out. You can open your eyes now. What number do you think that is?
3.
Ah, you got it. You're not peeking, are you?
No.
How many holes can you feel?
7. 7.
What? You're getting good at this. All right, high five. Close your eyes. Don't cheat. Well done. Good job. I'll use your fingers, yeah, and what you know about the numbers to help you, okay? So, Daddy's going to put 3 numbers inside of this bag.
That's good.
Can you please find the number that matches with this number here? Okay, there's 3 shapes in there. Can you only pull out the one shape that matches with the number that I've pulled out? Oh, let's have a look. Does it match?
No.
Is it the same? Okay, no problem. I'll give you one more go. I'm gonna make it a little bit harder, okay? I'm gonna put more numbers in here. Close your eyes. I'm gonna put more numbers in here. Okay, you ready? Let me shake it about. Can you please find the shape that matches with this shape here? Inside the bag, you ready?
Yeah. I'm looking so...
No. You can only do it what you feel. Okay. Nope, not the right one. You've got 2 more guesses.
Okay. Oh, that was the same one.
My tip would be feel it first. First of all, count how many numbers are there.
Oh.
And you got it. Well done.
I did the wrong one and then I did the right one. It's a little bit easy.
Yeah, you did a good job. Okay, fantastic. Well done today.
Yeah.
You did really well. High five.